a Wengie product. It is the Deluxe hair kit. So let's see what's inside. It looks like there are 6 chalk colors, which is like a turquoise green, and then there's a yellow and orange, a light purple, a pink, and a light blue. So here we have some accessories, which are the iridescent and regular tattoos. I'll give you guys a peek on what they look like. And guys, there are these hair ties that is purple, pink, and blue. I want the pink. Here's what the iridescent tattoos look like, and here what the regular tattoos. And guys, there are these like powder glitters that are green. You guys, we got a secret, a mystery charm. Purple and pink. Maya, we got a mystery charm. Really? I'm gonna read this. Oh, this is a unicorn. Amazing. And guys, there's also like this powder ball. That's purple. Okay. That is a sponge. Oh. Okay, so 1 inch is about like. Is this 1 inch? Is this 1 inch? Chalk disc. What's the disc of the hair chalk? This. Really? I don't think so. Okay, so this is the first time. Don't judge me, please. Oh, you click it. Guys, look at that. Did it work? Yeah. It's on the Oh, nice! Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more pink, and then I'm gonna put. Oh no, yeah, I'm gonna put some more pink. Look at that! Maya, tell me, where does the pink stop? The pink stops there. Okay, thanks. You click it, don't you? You don't see the purple. You don't? No. What? Why does the pink work and not the purple? Now let's do each other's hair. Me first. No, me first. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. 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 I go first. This purple glitter. I've been looking at this one for a long time. Is it working? These are actually nice. I'm gonna put this on the tip. That is so pretty, guys. Move up so that we can see. Okay, on to the next color. I'm doing purple because I want to. How does that hurt you? It feels nice and relaxing. Wait. Yeah, I don't think I want to use the tattoos because they look weird. Yeah, I'm definitely not. Oh, are you done with the strand so I can do yours? No. Ouch. I need that purple one. Look at how pretty this is. Done. Wait, where is it? Oh my god, that looks so Where's pretty. The piece? Right here, you have it. Really? Okay, now it's my turn to do yours. I want unicorn colors. Okay. Here. Oh. How are you doing? Color. Can you? Why do I have to close my eyes? Or you just color the whole thing? Ow! Okay. Look at it. Look at this, you guys. Hi, look at your hair. I saw it. Looks pretty nice. Yours looks like unicorn color. So does yours. Okay, guys. So my colors are working. Miren estos colores. Es muy bonito. Now we're gonna glitter up each other's hair. Add this purple right here. Oh wow, that looks so pretty. So here's a close-up of my hair so far. What do you think? Smash that subscribe button if you think my hair looks really nice so far. Now mine. So glittery. Yeah, I don't think I want to use the tattoos because they look weird. Yeah, I'm definitely not. We've got our stickers. We're gonna cut out 2 of the ones that we want. hope I don't mess these up. You have to take your hair out. Okay. Alright, let's do this. So I'm gonna dip this in water. My hair. And then it said, hold for 30 seconds. Okay. Take it off. Oh my. You have to hold it for longer. Now I need to hold it down for a few minutes. Did it work? Should I keep? Miah, did it work? Yeah! Does it look pretty? Yes. Wait! 3, 2. Did it work? It worked! Woohoo! Just kidding. It literally says hold for 30. I hope it's for longer than 30 seconds, or maybe not.
Wait, is my star still there?
No, it was never there.
Time to see. Is it there, guys?
These are not. Okay, these are not working. Okay, so these tattoos, I'm just gonna say it, are horrible. I don't care what Wengie thinks. These are horrible.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be using these. Goodbye. I'm gonna repaint my thing because I feel like they're gone.
So make sure you go check out my other videos, which are the milk cookie crumbles, the strawberry poke cakes, the nail ones. My hair is straight. My mom straightened my hair with a brush. I did that a few days ago, and it always has like 500 views, but if you haven't checked it out, go check it out right now. Like, why not? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button to be part of the Mermaids crew. Bye for now!